Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to delete a post on Facebook. So in order to do so, first of all launch Facebook app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now at the top right corner just beside the notification bell icon, you can see your profile picture icon. Tap on it. Now just under menu, you can see your name. Tap on it. With that, you will be led to your Facebook page or profile. Simply scroll down below in order to find the post you wish to delete. So for instance, I wish to delete this post. Now in order to delete the post, you have to tap on the certain post or picture you have uploaded. Now at the top right corner, you'll see three dots icon. Let's tap on it. Over here, you'll see the option of delete photo with a bin icon on it. Simply tap on it. Now over here, you can simply tap on the option of delete. Let's wait for some time, or you can simply reload your page. With that, you can see that specific post from your Facebook profile will be deleted. You can follow these easy steps for other posts as well. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.